So let's have a critical illness discussion for a moment here. Our greatest asset is our ability to earn an income. The foundation of our whole financial plan, of our whole financial house, is income and asset protection. Okay? Critical illness is one of those: cancer, heart disease, stroke, and there's many more of them, but those are the big three. That statistically there's 1 in 3 or 1 in 4 chance that one of these things may happen to us that could take us out of the game for a year to a year and a half or so while we're healing from them. We're beating more and more of these things all the time. Medical technology is getting pretty impressive, right? But what our greatest risk is really is in our asset protection as well. It's not just our ability to produce the income that would keep the household afloat, that would keep our savings continuous, right? Those things tend to stop, and if we don't have coverage, they're more likely to stop. Moreover, we tend to pull out of our savings if we don't have the income coming in to be able to take care of the financial stresses and the financial stability for the rest of the household, because they still have to continue, right? And it's about being the pillars of our family to make sure that we're strong enough and that we're maintaining the strength and the belief and the positivity that we're going to heal through anything that may come and afflict us here, right? So those are statistics of potentials that it may afflict us. Some of us believe that it may or may not happen to us. Well, it may or may not happen to us, but it's not about you. It's about the rest of your family. That a husband and wife, statistically, with a 1 in 3 chance of something happening, that means there's a 2 out of 3 chance that something is going to happen in your family, that one of the two of you is likely to experience some kind of a medical emergency that's going to take you out of the game for a little while, maybe a year and a half or so. Okay? So it's imperative to make sure that we've had the discussion to make sure that the breadth of insurance that you have, we're not talking about the depth of insurance, the amount of insurance coverage to protect your assets, but the breadth of insurance to make sure that the potential afflictions that could occur, whether it be cancer, heart disease, stroke, or death, or falling off a ladder, right? That we need to make sure that those things are all covered is more important than it is to have the full depth. And it's taking careful stock of the balance of our income to our assets to our coverage to make sure that those things are that we're protected in that regard, right? So it is imperative that we have that conversation about critical illness. So let's have it.